Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again, Christoph Andrew. If you're still not my subscriber, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Today is gonna be a special day of unboxing because this is my 100th video combined in my YouTube channel. So I'm going to unbox some limited collection from PopMart and Kika Goods. And so for those who are not yet my subscriber, please do subscribe so that I will reach 1,000 subscribers and continue doing this for you. So what are we waiting for? Let's do the unboxing now. Let me start with this freebie from Hirono from the recently concluded event from PTS in Singapore. So I got this one as a freebie, and this is a back to play Hirono, and I believe this is a magnetized pin badge. So let me open this one for you. I never had this one, and this one is a limited collection, I believe. So let me open it for you. And to be fair, I'm a fan on a collector of Hirono, so this will be an added collection for me. Let me show you how beautiful this is. So, yeah, this is a magnetized. Let me show you how it works. So, this is the magnet or the pin at the back. Oh, there's some glue in it. Let me remove. Yeah, I thought, oops, where's the magnet? I thought this is a like a soft plastic, but when I touch this one, it's a metal and it's quite heavy for this size. So I like the design of Hirono here. You can see how grumpy Hirono with his puppet dinosaur toy, and he's wearing a crown, like maybe this is a wooden crown, and there's a clock on the side, wall clock, and there's a Hirono fighting. And this is the back of the metal of the Hirono pin badge, and this is the magnet. It's a strong magnet actually, guys. So if you're going to attach this one as a pin in your bag, or you're going to wear it on your shirt, this will be a cute accessory. So I can say that this is a good deal as a freebie. So what can you say about this one? If you have this one as a souvenir, or if you collect this one as well, please comment down below. Let me go with another freebie from PopMart. So this is the Hachipupu Back to School Mini Notebook. So I received this one again as a freebie. So let me open this up. So this in a blister pack. So I have to remove the tape. I have few Hachipupu as a collection, but I don't have yet the full set of any series. I'm just starting to collect one by one and check if there will be a spark on me, because I believe Hachipupu is a cute figure as well and a cute IP. So this is the notebook. It's a like a denim cover, and this one is like a soft design or artwork. Like there is I believe this is like a leather leather type material, and there's a um, cotton inside to bulk it up. So this is the notebook at the back. Let me show you the design. It's very cute. A small notebook, you can put or write some memo in here. And let me show you the what's inside of this notebook. Like it's a blank one, and there's some like artwork like a back to school, but there's like some um like what you can call this one, like a bear, or nothing is inside or any design, but there's a bookmark like this where you can bookmark your notes. Yeah, this one is cute actually. You can bring it anywhere. It's very small, very handy. It's like a pocket notebook. So what do you think about this freebie? Please comment down below. Let me proceed with this IP. So I saw this one in the PopMart website, and I got curious with this IP, and this is I forgot the name actually. I believe this is Migo Two Face series. So I just got one box because I'm not familiar with the IP, but for those who is a fan of Migo, this is for you. So let's see if I'll get a spark from this figure, and if this figure is worth to collect based on the price, because this is a bit cheaper than the other figure from Pop Mart. So this is the Two Face series of Migo. It looks like it's a phone, like the interface of the phone. I like the artwork. I like the box actually. It still looks really expensive. Sorry. This is Nook, by the way. And this is the lineup from this series. They have 12 confirmed figures, and they have two secrets, one secret and one super secret. But I don't know how much is the probability to get it. So from this lineup, I'm curious with the. I wanna see Ins, the one in the cover. Maybe no, not in the cover. I wanna see Ins. I wanna see Gift. Also, I wanna see Hide and Seek and Rainy Day and the Stress Baby and the Party. So let's see, guys. This is not quite heavy. So I'm going to unbox or open this one at the bottom part because I really wanna keep the box in a good condition so that I can store them whenever I'm going to travel or I'm going to ship to a different places. I can easily bring them along with me. So let me show you the foil. I don't want to see any spoiler. Okay, so this is like a small figure, guys. So they use a typical foil from Pop Mart. So let me open our first figure for today. One, two, three. Oh! Oops! He looks so cute. Look, guys. It looks like he's dancing in the rain or he's going to go for a swimming because he has this like I don't know what you call this one, donut pool with a translucent material, and it looks like a frog, and there's a raindrops on his head, and he's like trying to catch the raindrop, and he's wearing a swimming suit, I believe. Let me, maybe this one. Oh, he can stand like this? No, he don't stand that much, or maybe he has a stand as an inclusion. Okay. Oops, I dropped him again. Yeah. Oh, is this the rainy day? Okay. That's why I didn't recognize him because he has a mask. That's why it is called Two Face series. So this is the mask. I'm not sure if this is magnetized. Yeah, there's a magnet inside, so you can put this one like this as a mask, and it's a magnetized like uh they call it two faces, maybe because the mask shows the happy face of Migo, but behind it he looks like sad and like crying, like all of us has two face masks as well in real life, and he's holding a, I'm not sure if he will hold like this. Let me check the art card. Okay, he's going to hold the umbrella like this, like that, or maybe like this. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so he's holding a yellow umbrella, and this is rainy day, but he's not standing that well. Like, I'm not sure. I'm going to get a nice stand for him so that he can stand properly. But what can you say about this figure? Do you think Migo is worth to collect? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with Garfield Future Fantasy Series. And this one is from Pop Mart actually, and this is under Nickelodeon. So, just some thought that I'm going to share with you because I'm just trying to browse some IPs from Pop Mart, and I saw this one and it's available. So I was a fan of Garfield before during my childhood. So I thought, why not? Let's get some box and figure from this lineup, and let's see if I'm going to have a feeling of Circa vibe again, and if these IPs will remind my childhood. So I just got two. I'm not sure if these IPs are worth to collect. So this is the lineup from Garfield Future Fantasy Series. They have, I'm not sure if this is 12, if the front figure is included here, but they have 12 confirmed figures, including the one in the front. So, and one secret. I believe these IPs are very very old series from the Pop Mart. So we have the High Tech Police, Space Guard, Sleeping Cabin, Spaceman, Pharmacist, Robot Ronin, Time Observer, Mechanic, Cyber DJ, Robotic Chef, Planet's Traveler, so and the Secret. So I wanna get the Planet's Traveler. So this is the Super Doctor. I want to get Garfield Planet's Traveler and the Space Guard and the Spaceman and the Time Observer or the Robot Ronin. But these two are, I'm not sure. This is very light figure. So I really like their artwork. Very nice. It really reminds me of Garfield. So let me open the first box from this series. I hope I'll get my Prio and I hope it's a nice figure. So let's see. Oops. Whoever is fan of Garfield here, please comment down below. Maybe this is for you. It looks very small figure and long. Maybe this is the dog. I forgot the name of the dog. Actually, do you know the name of the dog of Garfield? So let's see, guys. Comment down below if you know that. So one, two, three. Yeah, I got the dog one, and it's cute. Look. Okay, let me check it for you. Oh, I remember. So this is Odie. And he's so cute. Very nice figure. Who's this? And there's some inclusion. And this is the pharmacies. Very nice. Looks very cute. Let me put all the inclusions. Oops. I don't know what he is holding. Maybe this one is a flask and he's trying to do some experiment. The inclusions are very small, so I have to be careful with this not to drop or to miss this one. Oh, yeah, so he's doing an experiment here, but I don't know how he's going to hold this one. Let me check the art card. Okay. So he's holding some flask or tube. I'm not sure if this is how it is. Okay. Like this. Oh, I just noticed that the smoke coming out in the tube is a translucent material and it looks like a ghost. Look, guys. The ghost has a face and it's a translucent material. And yeah, so he's trying to do some experiment here. I like this one. I should get more of these. Look, how beautiful and cute Odie here. What can you say about this figure? I really like the color combination. It's yellow and purple with the brown. Very nice color combination. And it's a good figure, guys, by the way. I can say that I can recommend this IP. So, if you like this one, please comment down below. Let's proceed with our next box in Garfield Future Fantasy Series. So, we got the pharmacist already, and it looks really, really cute. And I just hope I get Garfield here so that Odie has a match. So, let's see. Are you fan of Garfield, guys? Can you comment down below? Who is your favorite, Odie or Garfield? Oops, another small one. Maybe this is Odie again. So let's see. One, two, three. I hope it's Garfield. Ah, yeah, we got Garfield. Look, he's so cute. Oh, it's so sad that I didn't get more of this figure. Should I get more of these guys? Can you comment down below so that I'll get another or more figures from this series? So let me show you. So this is Garfield the Mechanic. I really like their art card. Very nice one. So this is the inclusion. Let me show you. Oops, this one's so small. Okay, the mechanic and he's holding like a ticket like that. Oops, why it's like this? Oh, this one is so nice. And he's holding a hammer. Guys, this one is so cool figure. I should get more of this and I will get more of this actually. Look how beautiful Garfield is. The details are very intricate. I like the tail of Garfield here. There is some stripe and some black here. I like the hammer. It's a translucent material. Looks very nice one. And even the visor of Garfield. It's a one eyepiece visor. Like, yeah, it's a very futuristic vibe. And he's a mechanic here. And even the tablet is translucent. I like it. I like it. So much cuteness in here. So, what is your thought about this one? I will get more of this, right? Should I? Please comment down below. So, let's go with another old IPs that I discovered from Pop Mart. So, this is Pop Mart, a collaboration with Kulabu. And this is Space Hood. Surprisingly, the packaging is so different from the others. So it's not a blind box, but it's a blind cylinder, and it's like a soda can, and it's a plastic, by the way. And I like the artwork here. It's like I'm going to drink a cola here, and they have 2, 4, 6, 8, 9 confirmed figures and one secret. And actually, I if you watch my previous vlog, I opened one Kulabu, and I remember it's a girl, and I can't read. It's the words are so small, but I remember it's a girl that I got from my previous vlog. And from this lineup, I wanna get the Astro Rabbit, the Dart House, the Rabbit OG. Yeah, they are all cute actually. So let's see. This one's quite heavy, and I don't know how to open this one. Should I strip this one here like this? If I'm going to strip this one, the design will be, destroyed already. So should I? Oops, I destroyed already. So I don't know. Okay, let's destroy it. Oh, okay. Ah, I forgot. Sorry guys, I don't know how to remove it. So it's like a capsule spaceship. Let me remove all the plastic. So it's like a capsule spaceship, guys, and it looks very cool. Very nice. It's a nice packaging. And you know what? This is quite expensive than the regular figures. So let's see if this is worth to collect or worth the price. In a first notice, I really like the packaging. It's very useful. It's like a spaceship. I don't want to see any spoiler yet. So this is the foil or the figure. Let's see. I'm excited with this figure. One, two, three. Oh! What's this? Huh. Very nice. Let me put the inclusion. This is not the secret because I believe the secret is a girl. I'm not sure if this is like the nemesis of this character or not, but I like it. It's like an astronaut, but there's some dent in this capsule. Yeah. How should I word this one? Okay, here. Like that. Yeah, I can say it's a good figure. For 900 pesos, I'm not sure if this is worth the price. It's the same price with the Yokoyama series. And let's see. He's holding a, I'm not sure if this is a scanner. Is this how he's going to hold this one? Or maybe like here. Let me check. Oops, let's see. Let me show you the art card first. Okay. So this is Skycat Kicks Gun. So this is going to hold this gun. And it's like a shoe, right? It's like a shoe. And I can say that it's a good quality figure. Very nice. I like the color combination, the silver glasses with the red linings. It matches the astronaut outfit. It's very cool. I can say it's worth to collect. I should get more of these. If you can see the intricate details at the back, space hood, very nice. My first time to have this figure, and I can say that it's worth the price. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with the newest release from Pop Mart, which is the Coffee Factory series, the Pop Bean. And from this lineup or from this series, they have only four figures or characters like the Labubu, which is the coffee bean grinder, the Skull Panda, which is the specialty barista, Dimu, which is the taster, and Crybaby, which is the dessert chef. And I believe the secret is Molly, which is, I'm not sure if this is the manager, and it has a probability of 1 over 48. And I got one box only because I'm not sure if I'm going to like this one because this is not a vinyl face and it's like a vinyl plush. It's not a vinyl plush, but it's a doll. So let's see. I like the packaging. It's very like very coffee vibe. It's very brown. So let's see, guys. I'm going to open this one at the bottom part, and I'm not sure if lucky enough to get a secret, but from this lineup, I really wanna get Bimu or Skull Panda. Actually, I like Labubu here, but Labubu here, I believe is the least favorite from this lineup. But I really like to get Labubu, either of these three. Let's see. Let's see. I'm excited. I'm excited. I don't wanna see any spoiler. Oops. Oh, sorry. I moved my camera again. And it's so hard to open this one. I don't wanna see the card yet. Uh, so big. Hmm. If I can feel, maybe this is Dimu. Based on my senses. Ay, no! I touched the ball on the side. So this is, I guess, Skull Panda. So let's see. One, two, three. Yeah, it's a Skull Panda. I touched this bubble ball. Bubble ball. Yeah, let me show you. Okay. This one is cute actually. And I like the helmet ball on the side. It has a coffee bean embroidered on each side. And I like the softness of the hair of Skull Panda here. Very soft. I like the dress. It's so cool. It has good quality stitches. I can say it's worth the price. And even I'm not sure if this is the tag of Skull Panda on the dress, but it's quite leather. Skull Panda, very nice. And you can, this is the strap which you can adjust how long you're gonna use this one or lock this one up on your bag. It's nice. Lucky to have Skull Panda as a first figure from this lineup. And it's so soft. I like it. I can say I like it. And let me show you the art card. So this is Skull Panda specialty barista. What can you say about this one? It's nice, it's cute. For me, it's worth to collect, it's worth the price. Give me your comment down below. Let me proceed with our blisters pack. So let me start with Demo Earth Day So this one is a limited collection from Bimu. They released this one during Earth Day. So let me open now this at the back. I wanna keep this one in a good condition because I don't wanna remove this one from the pack because I wanna keep it as a hang figure. But for you and for my 100 video, I'm going to free them for a while, but I'm going to return them all from this packaging because I wanna keep them in a nice, good condition for a very, very long time. And it's so hard to remove the tape at the back. And I actually wanna feel and see them personally and touch them, and let's see how the quality is good. Oops, like that. So let me remove this one and free Demo Earth. Yeah, look guys. Demo is so beautiful here. Very nature vibe. He's holding the earth and it's so blue. And if you can see the clouds around him, it's very pearlescent finish. I like the base. It's like a I like the earth on the top, and he's sitting on the earth with full of water, and even the eyes of Dimo here is like a deep sea blue eyes. I like the combination of the head of Dimo. It's pearlescent finish with the blue and a combination of the gradient of blue and white. I like the sun that's on the head of Dimo here. I like it. It's very intricate details, and the crescent moon on the side, and even the clouds around him are very pearlescent finish, very nice quality. I can say Dimo really represent the earth here. So what can you say about this one? This one is a very limited figure. If you can see the head, it's like a combination of heaven and earth. Like this is the water and this is the clouds. You can see the cloud friend of Dimo here. I like the waves of the clouds and the water here. It's very nice. I like it. Very detailed, very pearlescent finish. I can say that this is for to collect. This is a limited figure, limited edition. What can you say about this one? Please comment down below. Let's proceed with our another blister. So this is the newest release of Molly, Space Molly, the Refraction series, 100%. So I have to get this one because this is a limited collection as well. So let me show you how silver it is. It's like a spaceship. The background really represent the space and the galaxy. And it's written angry gas A in case of emergency, and the bad gas as the B1. So let's see, guys. Let me free Space Molly now. Refraction. So let me remove some tape. Okay. Sorry, guys. It will take some time for me to remove this because I want to keep it nice and tidy, and the box still good and not destroyed. The tape, we can buy this kind of tape anywhere, so we can replace the tape, but the box and the blister is quite to find because it fits the figure itself. So give me some time to remove the tape carefully because you know this will be my collection that I'm gonna keep for a very, very long time, unless somebody wants this one badly and wanna buy it from me. I'm going to sell it to them. So let's see. Careful. Uh-oh. Sorry, guys. Oh, here. Still, the tape is intact. I'm sorry. Okay. It's so hard. Okay, there's another tape here. There's so much tape. I'm going to pass forward this one for you guys. Don't worry. Quietly. Okay. Ha! Finally. So let's see. Okay. I actually don't have much of Space Molly 100%, but I started to collect one by one. If you watch my previous vlogs, I have some Space Molly 100%, and I found them very nice, and I guess it's worth to collect. Oh, there's so much tape here, and you know, protection. Ah, so I don't know how to remove this one. Okay, let me fast forward this one for you. Give me some time. Okay, finally. Oh, nice. This one is so silver. I like the combination of black and silver here. And the eyes of Molly is gray, silver gray. And even the all the details of Molly is black and gray and silver. And it's so cute. It's very metallic finish. Let me put the camcorder of Molly here. This one is so nice. And this is a limited collection. What can you say about this one? I like the A and B gas at the back. It's so silver. It's so metallic. It's written here Space Molly. I like the black detail lining. It's so intricate. It's so cool and it's so nice. I can say that this one is really a worth collection for you to add if you are collecting a Space Molly 100%. I'm not sure if they are able to create 400 or 1000% from this figure, but let's see. What can you say about this one? Space Molly Refraction. So guys, let's proceed with another limited collection from Pop Mart. This is a collaboration of Azura Instinct Toy. So this is the Snuggle with Bowie Fluffy. So let's see guys. This one sold out so fast. That's why I'm lucky to have one. So let's see. And free Azura and Stink Toy here. I don't know how. Okay, there's another tape on the top. I forgot to remove. I thought I'm able to remove everything, but it's not. There's some. Okay, here. Carefully. I really like it, guys. So gradient, so colorful. It's very Stinktoy. It's very Azura. If you can see in my background, I have a secret from Stinktoy. I'm so lucky to have that one. And I can say that this one is really, really cute figure. I like the translucent figure. I like the wings of Asura at the back. It's very translucent. I like the gradient color of purple and blue. It's so nice. And even the hair is so glittery and pearlescent finish. I can say that this one is a good figure, a very limited one. The face, the head, the dress of Azura is like a melted gummy. And even Floppy, I guess this is Floppy. It's snuggled with Bowie Floppy. He looks so cute. I like the details of the fur. The teeth are so colorful. I like the bow on the hair of Fluffy. It's pink and blue. It really matches the Azura figure, and they really meant for each other. Very cute figure. It's like the monster and the angel, or the devil and the angel, meet together, and it gives a very nice combination. If you can see the hands of Asura here, there's some like, I'm not sure if this is colorful diamonds as a tattoo, and there's a blue bow here. Very nice details. I like this one. Even the eyes of Basura is two different color, one pink and one blue. And I like the translucent tears of Azura here. Very nice figure. Very cute. Very quality one. What can you say about this one? So this is a collaboration of Azura Instinctoy. Snuggle with Bowie Fluffy. Please comment down below. Let's proceed with another limited collection from 52 Toys or Kika Goods. So I'm a fan of Nook now, and I started to collect them one by one. If you can see in my background, I have some figures of Nook, and if you watch my other vlogs, I have series of Nook that I unboxed to you, like the plush one and some limited collection. And I got another limited collection from Nook, which is the DC, a collaboration with DC and Superman. So let's see, guys. This is no cardboard Superman. So this is my first time that I'm going to free Superman here. So I really like the packaging of the blister. It's very nice. It's really worth the price. It's a good packaging. It's very premium. The blister is so hard, so it's really secure the item. So let me open this one for you. Let me keep all the stickers on the side because I'm going to return them all back so that I can keep the figure in this hanging card. Oh, very nice. Oh, this is so cute. And there's a small Superman. Let me remove it first and show it all to you. This is so small. And I don't know how to remove it. Give me some time. I don't want to drop this one. And it's so hard to remove and I drop it. Where's the Superman? So I dropped the mini Superman because it's really so small. And let me show you Nook as a Superman. Look how beautiful this figure is, guys. Very nice. I'm not sure why this one is not so hype, but this one is really cool. Nook is like a flying Superman here with a carton cardboard like this. I really like the eyes of Nook here. They use a chipped eye, and he's bringing his cat pet together with him, and the cat is flying as well. Look the details of Superman at the back, the cape. Very nice figure. And let me show you if this one can open up. I guess, yeah, you can open up this one. I guess you can hide the mini Superman here like that. And she's moving like this. Like he is moving like this and he's like flying. Look, very nice one. What can you say about this figure, guys? It's really cool and I like the intricate details of this one. Look, the cape and the outfit of Superman here. It's very detailed and even the cardboard. It's nice. Nook Toys, Superman. I like this one. If you are a Superman fan and a Nook fan, this is really for you. And I can say that this one is worth the price. And look, guys, the blister pack, the hanging card, it's so nice. You can keep this one in a good condition. What can you say about this one? Let me remove and show to you the small Superman first and give me your thought. So guys, this is the final box that we have from Kika Goods. So this is from Finding Unicorn. So this is my first time as well to have a Farmer Bob, and I decided to get this limited collection from Farmer Bob, which is the Cheese Cosmos Bob. And they have three figures from this limited collection, but I forgot which one did I get. So let me show you the box first and remove the shrink film so that we can appreciate more the box. So this one is still sealed, and I like the packaging. I'm not just sure if the figure is worth the price, but this the price is like the same price of the 1/8 figure action figure of Pop Mart. So let's see. So it shows here only God can judge me. And I believe Farmer Bob is like a representation of Bob Marley. Correct me if I'm wrong, but that's what my thought about it. So this is the Vanta Zombie Bob series. They have three figures from this limited collection. So let's see. As far as I remember, I got the Cosmic one. Oh, so there is a like a what can you say this one? Card. So this is Finding Unicorn X Farmer Bob. So let me open this. I guess this is an authentication card. I like it. It's so small and there's some like silver stamp. Let me show you first. So this is the authentication. So this is very a legit limited collection. So this Cheese Reborn Vanta Zombie Bob Finding Unicorn collaboration with Farmer Bob. Okay, so this is a 150% and I really like the card. It looks very premium. Vanta Zombie Bob Cheese Cosmos Bob. Only God can judge me. And this is the like QR code. So let's see. Let me set aside the card first and show you how beautiful Farmer Bob is. Oh, so this is 150%. It looks very big. Carefully, because this is a limited collection. Okay, so there's a some bite or chunk of cheese here, and it's like a blue combination. Look, yeah, and there's a smiley here, and the face of the cheese. Very nice. And there's another protection from this bag. Let me remove. So, moment of truth. I'm not sure if this is worth to collect, but let me see it. One, two, three. Oh no! This one is so big. And I'm not sure if this is 150%, but it looks like 200. And you can move the hands of Bob. It's like he looks like a zombie here. And the figure is quite light, not that much heavy. You know what? Superman look is much heavier than Bob. So yeah, I like the dress of Bob here. It's like a cosmic universe and it's like a galaxy. And I like the eyes of Bob here. It's a combination of deep blue sea eyes and a like a magenta eyes. And this is like a universe, like a lineup of the planets. And there's some chunk of cheese. If you can see, it's like the same like this one. So I'm not sure. Okay. So if you can see the head of Farmer Bob here is there's some hole here. And I guess this is some kind of piece of puzzle, like a piece of cheese. Like you have to drop like this one or maybe I drop it again. Why I keep dropping some small things? Yep. I keep dropping small things. So let me put the not this way. Maybe this way. Yeah, look. It looks like that the bite of cheese is came from the head of Farmer Bob. That's why there's some hole in here, and you have to put this one here to connect. And it's so cute and beautiful. And even the head of Farmer Bob here is like a Milky Way galaxy. There's some like stars. Let me show you closely. Yeah, you cannot just move the feet of Bob here. So there's a Farmer Bob. So this is Finding Unicorn. And there's a number here. I'm not sure if this is the number of the figure. It shows here 1169. Maybe this is the number 1169. I'm not sure. What can you say about this zombie? Zombie Bob. And this is Cheese Cosmos Bob. We got the Vanta Zombie Bob. I'm not sure if this is Vanta Zombie. Vanta Zombie. Yeah, I guess this is Vanta Zombie. So what can you say about this one? Please comment down below. So guys, this is my final lineup of what we unboxed for today's vlog for my 100th video. So I'm so happy to share it with you because I opened a lot of limited collection of what I have now and some old IPs that are really cute and adorable, and surprisingly they are all good quality figures. So I can say that whatever I open now are so beautiful and adorable, and I like them all, especially the limited collection series. That's why I will start collecting and shifting to a much more value or valuable figures. So, what can you say about what we unboxed for today? You can comment down below, and if you had fun watching my videos, you can like and share this one. And don't forget to subscribe in my channel and help me reach my 1,000 subscribers so that I will continue unboxing and share the fun with you. And don't forget also to click the notification bell so that you will be notified on my new and upcoming vlog. Once again, guys, happy 100 videos. Bye!